Hello students, I have question 4. It says, for the circuit shown in the diagram opposite, when the switch S is closed, which graph represents the voltage across the capacitor with the time? So I need to see the graph that shows the variation of potential difference or voltage with the time when I close this switch. Okay, so when I close the switch, I know that electrons will move from the negative terminal of the battery and they will gather at this side of the capacitor. This will make more electrons to escape from the other side. So here there will be positive, 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 positive. Okay? The accumulation or the gathering of the charges will continue until I have a potential difference here that equals to the electromotive force of the battery. Okay, so the voltage inside the capacitance must be equal to the voltage inside the battery to make the electrons stop gathering. Okay, which means the potential difference is increasing. Which one is actually increasing between these four graphs? It's actually the B. Okay, as you can see, the potential difference, it increases until it reaches like a constant value. Okay, this constant value will give me the electromotive force of the battery. Okay, this is the question. I hope it's clear. Okay, I'm gonna go directly to question 5 here. Okay, the question says, two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in series. Please pay attention, in series. So the ratio of potential differences across each of them, I need the ratio of V1 over V2. Maybe the drawing will help. As you can see, two capacitors connected in series here with the battery. I have here C1, I have here C2. Okay? Let's remember the properties of the series connection. In series connection, we agreed that the charge that goes out of the battery, it's the same charge in the two capacitors in series. So they will have the same charge. But the voltage in the battery will be different. Here I will have V1, here I will have V2. Okay? Now they want the ratio V1 over V2. So V1 over V2. We know from before, I know that the voltage in the capacitor is actually equal to Q over C. So V1 is Q1 over C1. Here Q2 over C2. Since the Q1 and Q2 are equal, it means I can delete Q1 with Q2. So I will have 1 over C1 over 1 over C2. Okay? From math, I know that I take this with this and this with this. So the V1 over V2, I get C2 over C1. Okay, so which answer is that? It is B. Okay, I hope it's clear. Please always remember the properties of series and parallel connection in the capacitors because you're going to use them a lot. Okay, this is the question. If you have anything you want to say, just leave it under the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.